Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be getting rid of this cold, this winter. We're over it. We're welcoming in spring, summer, bringing that heat, bringing that sun. We're making Hawaiian fried rice with Spam and pineapples. Let's go. We're going to add a little bit of oil into our pan. Go ahead and crack 2 eggs in there. Stir them all up. What we're looking for is soft scrambled eggs. Then once that's done, get it out of the pan immediately. We're not trying to let it scramble to a hard phase here. We're going to add a little bit more oil. Forgot to mention we're using a neutral oil. Then we're gonna go in with our Spam. I like to use the less sodium Spam, you know, trying to save a little bit where you can in the sodium department. But we're gonna fry that up till it gets nice and crispy. It'll only take about 3 to 5 minutes. But drop a comment down below if you grew up eating Spam. This is super comfort food for me. Some people hate Spam. It's a really controversial ingredient, but I love it. I don't know, something a lot of Puerto Rican people grow up eating. I know it's obviously super popular in Hawaii, which also has a huge Puerto Rican diaspora. As you can see, I threw in some green onion. I love green onion. You can absolutely use regular sweet onion, Vidalia onion, whatever onion you like. I just wouldn't use red. That would be a little weird, but hey, if that's what you like, go on with it. We also added in about a clove of garlic. We're gonna go in with some ginger. Absolutely use fresh ginger if you have it. I like to freeze my pureed ginger when I have some left over. I'm going in with about a 1/4 of a red pepper for sweetness. Mind you, I'm doing all of this on high heat if I didn't mention it already. We're gonna saute it up until it gets soft. We're gonna go in with some pineapples. If you have fresh pineapples, absolutely use that. This is the only pineapple I had on hand, which is fine. It still lends all the pineapple flavor to the dish. Just make sure you drain it really well if you're using any kind of canned pineapple. Just make sure any of the residual juices from the pineapple evaporate before you move to the next step of adding more oil in and then adding your rice. It can be day-old rice, it can be fresh rice. Either way, it's gonna be delicious. I've tried it both ways. Now I'm gonna go ahead and season the rice with the ingredients you're gonna see across the screen, which is sesame seed oil, not too heavy, it's really potent, our soy sauce, and then if you want that extra special touch, that umami that all good Asian dishes have, because you know there's a heavy Asian influence in Hawaiian cuisine, you're gonna go in with that sriracha. All to taste. I really love the flavor of sriracha. The heat doesn't bother me too much. I really use it for the flavor. And you're gonna stir that up, make sure all the flavors combine, marry, get to know each other, have babies, live happily ever after. And this is also controversial. I add cilantro, but you don't have to. I love cilantro, so I add that in. And we're gonna go and put our Spam back in there and our eggs. Hello, gorgeous. You can just eat those 2 things for breakfast and be a happy camper. I know I'd be happy if you gave that to me on a Saturday morning. Now, when I tell you this dish is super fast to make, you will have this done before you can even decide what you want to order for takeout. It takes about 10 minutes, honestly, 10 to 15 if you're a slow cooker. I'm going to go back in and add the tops of the green onion. I'm going in with shredded carrot. Make sure you get your daily vegetable intake for the day. You can add more than that if you want. I really love the crunchy factor in the rice. The contrast of textures is really nice. So stir that up. We're essentially done, but I like to add black sesame seed for a little bit more crunch. I like the contrast in color as well. While I'm dishing this rice up, I want to take the time to ask you guys to please subscribe if you're enjoying this channel. If you like the video, please share. If you really want more of me, you can hit that notification button to be reminded. We're notified every time I post a video. So here's this Hawaiian fried rice. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at all those colors. I like to add a little bit of, correct me if I'm pronouncing this wrong, but furikake on top of the rice. Finish it off with a little bit more sriracha. And we're gonna go in with a little bit more sesame seeds. And baby, this is it. Call her done. It's delicious. And of course, for the most important part, we gotta try it. We didn't work this hard. Not really, because it was only 10 minutes. But we didn't do all this not to try it. So let's go. Let's stick our golden fork up in here and see what it's like. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at all that. And maybe I'm the one that likes a bunch of fixings on their stuff. Side note, I love fixings. So this just does it for me. But we got Spam. We have eggs. We have green onions, the crunchy carrot. What more can you want? We have sweet, spicy, salty, umami. We're hitting all the pillars of flavor. But guys, that's it for today. I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, subscribe, share, hit that notification button. Catch me on the next one. Bye.